a lot of strictness around your body and how you move through this earth plane. And in some ways this is really great for you, but in other ways you can be really hard on yourself. But you've got a ton of wisdom and a ton of potential here. One of the things you have to be careful of, though, is that you're low in earth, just like one of the other callers who called as well. So you've got to make sure that you stay really grounded, because not only are you a Gemini with your Mercury in Gemini, but your moon is in air and it's right next to Pluto. So you've got a lot of air, so you can get stuck in your head. So we've got to make sure you stay grounded in your body. Does that make sense?
Well, when you tell people things, Leslie, are they things that will be or could be?
It's all about what you do with the information. I don't believe anything is a real definite. It's just what you decide to do with the information. So when I see someone has incredible talent, they could decide not to use it. Or if I tell someone that this is something that can be problematic for you, for example, the woman who doesn't have Earth in her chart, if she doesn't put Earth into her life with intention, she's going to stay stuck, because it's like driving around a car with a flat tire. You've got to keep yourself in alignment, and that's up to the individual. The astrologer, I can't fix anything. I can't touch the car. I'm not a mechanic, and I'm not driving the car. So the information that I give will help the people have a much easier, smoother ride, and help you to feel like there are things to do to recalibrate yourself so that life is easier. That's my motto. If it's not easy, I don't want it. I want to be in a place of flow, and where I know that if I do a particular thing, I'm going to get a really good outcome. And that's where astrology is really beautiful, at helping people get there.
Absolutely. Leslie, thanks again for coming on the program. Keep in touch with us, okay?
Thanks, always a pleasure. Thanks, George.
You take care. Up next, we're going to talk about your dreams on Coast to Coast AM.
Now you can get show updates and connect with other Coast fans when you join the Coast to Coast AM Facebook page. Just go to facebook.com/Coast to Coast AM and click the like button.
Okay. Sad. Nice. I like that.
Binge listen this and all your artist stations, plus any song from our library of millions of songs, all ad-free. Get your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access. You'll love it. Don't be basic, be extra. Start your free 30-day trial of iHeartRadio All Access now.
Hello, beautiful. I'm Amy Eric, founder of Madison Reed, a hair color company I named after my daughter. I started Madison Reed to give you the most gorgeous hair color made with ingredients you can feel good about. Are you tired of drugstore hair color? You deserve better. Spring is here and the forecast calls for your best hair color ever. Upgrade to salon quality hair color that nourishes and improves the condition of your hair without any harsh odors. It's easily done at home and we deliver it to your door. Plus, our hair color matching technology makes picking the right color easy, fast, and accurate. For a limited time, new clients get 15% off plus free shipping on your first online order. Visit madison-reed.com/promo. Take our online color quiz to find your perfect shade. That's madison-reed.com/promo. Try it. Love it. That's the beauty of Madison Reed.
Do you have at least $50,000 saved for retirement? Good news! You could be eligible for a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin. That's right. All qualified iHeart listeners who call Goldco, the #1 rated precious metals company this week, will get a free Ronald Reagan half-ounce silver coin. All you have to do is call 855-909-COIN and get yours free while supplies last. Goldco has helped thousands of people just like you place over $1 billion in gold and silver to help protect and diversify their savings. We're also offering up to $10,000 in free silver when you open a qualified gold IRA account. With everything going on in the economy, inflation, war, and the threat of recession, you can't afford to do nothing.